Are you tired of wrestling with your dusty carpets and tangled broomsticks? Welcome to the future of cleaning, where robot vacuums are revolutionizing the way we maintain our homes. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of automated housekeeping to explore the top 5 best robot vacuums that promise to make your daily cleaning almost effortless. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, tight corners, or a mix of carpet and hardwood, we have a robot vacuum that suits your needs. These devices are not just about convenience, they embody cutting-edge technology, reliability, and efficiency. For more such content, subscribe to our channel now and press the bell icon for regular updates. If you want to know more about the products or their latest pricing, links to all the products mentioned in this video are given in the description box below. Let's get started. At number 5, we have Roborock Crevo Curve. Rediscover the joy of a clean home with the Roborock Crevo Curve. This high-tech robot vacuum and mop is a true game-changer in household cleaning. Sporting a sleek, ultra-slim design, the Crevo Curve effortlessly glides under furniture, reaching those hard-to-clean areas with ease. With an incredible 18,500 pascals hyperforce suction power, it picks up everything from fine dust to large debris and pet hair, leaving your floors immaculate. What sets the Crevo Curve apart is its advanced multifunctional dock 3.0. Not only does it charge your robot, but it also auto-refills detergent, empties the dustbin, and uses hot water to wash the mop, ensuring hygiene and convenience. The AdaptiLift chassis and FlexiArm system allow the robot to navigate complex landscapes and clean tight corners, making no spot unreachable. Whether you have pets or just want a deeper clean, the Roborock Crevo Curve adapts to your needs and delivers exceptional results every time. Say goodbye to manual cleaning and hello to more free time with this stellar robot at your service. At number 4, we have Ecovacs D-Bot Osmo N8 Pro Plus. Are you ready to meet your new best friend in cleaning? The Ecovacs D-Bot Osmo N8 Pro Plus is a game changer, my friends. Imagine not worrying about vacuuming or mopping for up to a month. Yes, that's right. With its 2.5-litre dust bag and auto-empty station, this clever robot handles up to 30 days of cleaning without you lifting a finger. Navigating your home like a pro with its advanced DTOF laser navigation, the D-Bot maps your space with incredible precision, ensuring no corner is overlooked. It even detects and smartly avoids obstacles. And it doesn't just vacuum. The mop function with adjustable water flow levels guarantees a spotless finish on your hard floors. Pet hair on the carpet? No problem. It boosts its suction power to 2,600 pascals automatically for deep cleaning. Control it with just a few taps on the Ecovacs app, or even use voice commands through Alexa or Google Assistant. Honestly, this robotic vacuum and mop is here to make your life so much easier. Isn't that just what we all need? At number 3, we have the TP-Link Tapo RV30 Max Plus, the ultimate home cleaning companion that caters to both your vacuuming and mopping needs with extraordinary capability and convenience. Imagine not worrying about daily floor cleaning for up to 2 months thanks to its hefty 3-litre dust bag and auto-empty feature. The TP-Link Tapo RV30 Max Plus showcases a robust 5,300 pascal suction power with deep vac technology, ensuring a remarkable dust pickup rate of over 97%. Navigating with precision, the LiDAR plus IMU dual system maps your space accurately, avoiding obstacles smoothly and climbing barriers up to 0.87 inches high. The integrated mopping system adjusts the water flow, manages 300 milliliters capacity, and smartly avoids carpets, making sure every type of floor shines. Plus, with a near-silent operation at just 52 decibels in quiet mode, it cleans without turning your home into a noisy environment. Control is at your fingertips with the Tapo app, where you can customize cleaning zones, set schedules, and monitor in real time. All of this backed up by a reliable 2,600 mAh battery that powers up to 3 hours of cleaning. Discover the sheer joy of walking into a spotlessly clean home every day with the TP-Link Tapo RV30 Max Plus. At number 2, we have iRobot Roomba J9 Plus. Meet your home's new best friend, the iRobot Roomba J9 Plus. Designed to tackle everything from pet hair to daily debris, this top-notch robot vacuum ensures your home is spotless with minimal effort on your part. What sets the Roomba J9 Plus apart? It possesses a whopping 100% stronger suction compared to the i-series, making it a powerhouse for large homes and thorough cleaning. Navigating your space becomes a seamless task with its precision vision camera. It maps your home 7 times faster than others and smartly labels rooms, adjusting its path to efficiently clean every corner without any hassle. Facing a messy situation. The Roomba J9 Plus's Dirt Detect feature zeroes in on extra dirty areas, ensuring they get the attention they need. Moreover, its advanced obstacle avoidance technology steers clear of everyday pitfalls like toys and cords. Plus, with a self-emptying clean base that holds up to 60 days of dirt, managing this robot is a breeze. Get ready to enjoy a cleaner home with absolutely no effort. Let the iRobot Roomba J9 Plus make life a little easier for you. Finally, at number 1, we have the Ecovacs Dbot X8 Pro Omni, a jewel in the crown of automated home cleaning. Dive into a world where chore time becomes your leisure time, thanks to the impressive 18,000 pascals of suction power that ensures deep and thorough cleaning. Tired of dealing with tangled hair on your vacuum brushes? Worry no more. The X8 Pro Omni features superior Zero Tangle 2.0 technology and a unique floating rubber brush designed to keep itself free from clogs. Navigating your home with precision, this clever device uses an advanced DTOF LiDAR system and AIV 3D 3.0 technology, artfully dodging obstacles and making sure every corner is pristine. And let's talk about battery life. It runs for a whopping 291 minutes, allowing you to clean extensive areas without a pause. The innovative Osmo roller mopping system adjusts mop dampness, effortlessly transitions from carpets to hard floors, and includes a smart station that handles everything from self-washing to drying the mop pads with hot air. Plus, manage it all from your smartphone or enjoy real-time interactions with the Yeeko GPT voice assistant. All these premium features come bundled in a package that's about 20% cheaper than similar models on the market. With the Ecovacs Dbot X8 Pro Omni, step into the future of convenient, sophisticated home cleaning. That's it for today, folks. If you find the video helpful, please like and share the video and subscribe to our channel for more such content. Thanks for watching.